Hey all my beautiful babes, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Sherry, and I would really appreciate if you would become part of the fam today and hit that subscribe button down below. Don't forget the notification bell, that way you can be informed every time I post a new video. So as you can see from the title of this video and the thumbnail, we're going to be unboxing the beautiful and amazing American Influencer Beauty Bundle box. I absolutely love this box, and I think the hollow is off the hook. So if you're interested in what I got in this month's box, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so just a little information about this box. It is a bi-monthly box, so you do not get it every month, you get it monthly, and I believe it is $34, and the value you get in here is always so amazing. So let's cut her open and dive on in. So now with these boxes, every month they curate the box with an influencer. So this month it is makeupblogger. She's absolutely stunning. I know my ring light is picking it up, but give you a look at that. And on the back it says everything that we get in the box and what the value of it is. So I'm going to go ahead and set that aside. Don't want to ruin the surprise, but I'll give you a little sneaky peeky. And I love that the box always says, be strong, be beautiful, be you. Give you a look inside. Grab the first thing in the box, and it is this right here, and this is a huge bottle. It is Makeupblogger Hydrating Face Mist, known as one of the natural wonders of the world. Dead Sea produces 12 minerals that are not found in any other sea or ocean. These ingredients, such as calcium, zinc, copper, magnesium, and potassium, are known for their ability to help soothe, cleanse, revitalize, and strengthen skin. So now on the side it says Hydra Happy, so that's really nice. I guess it's just a very nice hydrating mist. You can put it on before your makeup, after skincare, whatever, but let's give her a try. Nice mister. Oh my god. The smell of this is amazing. It has a very nice light floral kind of scent, but then it dissipates. It doesn't like linger on your skin, so I don't think it will really affect me, because a lot of stuff with fragrance gives me headaches. So I like the fact that this kind of doesn't linger, but it smells really good when you're spraying it. Now on the little card it says Hydration Happy Face Mist, skin loving ingredients derived from seawater. Hydrating formula helps soothe and calm skin. Light formula provides hydration before or after application. And it retails for $19. All right, let's get the next thing out of the box. And it is this Luxe Lash Eyelash Serum. All right. I'm always excited to try lash serums to see if they really work. The thing is BoxyCharm just let us pick for July, and I picked the lash serum. So I'm not going to open this. I think I'm going to give it away. And you know the pictures are always like dramatized. Literally always dramatized. But let's see what it says on the card. Luxe Lash Serum, made with a non-irritating proprietary blend of proteins and peptides. Use this daily serum will continue to use. Daily use of this serum will condition and strengthen lashes for a fuller, longer, and healthier looking set of lashes. And it retails for $29. Like I said, I don't think I'm going to use this. I'm going to be getting another one, so I may put this in the giveaway. You'll have to stay tuned to find out. The next thing in the box, and it is another eye product. This is the Makeupblogger Beauty Turn It Up Volumize. Of course, somebody would call me as I'm trying to record a video. Like I was saying, Turn It Up mascara volumizing mascara, won't weigh lashes down, appears fuller and longer lashes. Apply 1 to 2 coats of mascara to achieve maximum performance. I love mascaras, but I'm very picky when it comes to mascaras. So I may give this a try, or I may give this to a friend of mine that I know likes volumizing mascara. Wink, wink, you know who you are. So not sure if I'll be trying this, but we'll see. And on the card it says, turn it up mascara, rich, creamy, long wearing mascara that doesn't dry out or flake. Custom wand reaches every part of the lashes, keeping them for a separated, defined, perfect flutter with flair. $29 retail price on the box. We have this. I know it's hard to see with my lighting. It is the Makeupblogger Beauty Uptown Step 3 Perfecting. It's a 3-in-1 highlighter, shadow, and blush. I'm telling you, the last few videos, I cannot talk. Literally, I cannot talk anymore. It's a highlighter, shadow, and a blush. 3-in-1. It has tape on it. Of course, it has tape on it. This is what the packaging looks like. It is very pretty. I like that it's black with like a rose gold logo. Oh, this is pretty. You get a mirror. I won't blind everybody. The bronzer kind of has a glitter to it, and so does the blush. I think I have a friend that might just like this. We shall see. But let's read about it, because it's supposed to be 3-in-1. That as a highlighter for me would be too dark. It says long wear powder split pan duo. Save time with this compact, as it can be used as a blush, bronzer, highlighter, and a shadow. 2 textures, matte and pearlized, that gives glides on smooth, easy application. That shade is not matte in my opinion. That is not matte. This definitely has, I'm not going to touch it, but this definitely has shimmer, and so does this one. It looks matte, but it has a shimmer in it. So I have a friend that I think may like this, so if she does, I will give it to her. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that back in the box, and this retails for $24. Next thing in the box that I'm gonna take out is this Makeupblogger HD Perfecting Powder. This comes with a little clear plastic thing on it. My hair is like driving me Willy Wonka bonkers here. Oh God, you ever get that just one freaking strand of hair that doesn't want to stop going across your face? So this is what it looks like. I know with the lighting it's very hard to see, but it has like a snake print kind of design on the powder. You can lift this up right here, and it comes with like a little foam pad. I don't use these, but these are good when you're trying to like do something small and you want to rest your finger on your face. You can use it that way, but I don't use them. So let's see how it swatches. Very white. I'm gonna put it on my hand and see if it blends out. You know, you gotta be careful with HD powders because they can flash back like hell. So this is what she looks like. And it's very soft and buttery though, that I can say. Very, very nice. So I'll try that under my eye. I always like to like brighten up the under eye area, so I'm definitely going to try it. But you have to be light-handed with those kind of powders. It says create a matte, silky smooth finish with eliminating oils and shine. Long wear universal powder for all skin tones, keeps makeup put all day. Retails for $29. And one last item in the box, and it's going to be this, and it is the Makeupblogger Lip Locked Priming Gloss Stain in the shade Sienna. Let's open it up. Just make sure it's a color I would wear. It's very pretty. I definitely will wear this color. I love it so much. So it says gloss and stain. Very small doe foot, which I like because it gets up in my Cupid's bow very nice. Oh, that color is beautiful. A very nice nude color. I like that. This will go with pretty much almost any look you do. And let's read about her. Lip Locked Priming Gloss Stain. Built-in primer for long wear and smooth application. Innovative hydrating formula combines the properties of a lip gloss and a stain. It's infused with nourishing vitamins A and E with also berry extract, and it retails for $24. So guys, that's everything in the American Influencer Beauty Bundle box. I think it's great value, all these things for only $34. I think it's a great box. And like I said, every bi-monthly box will be curated with a different beauty influencer, and it always like gives you something new to look forward to. You're not only always going to get the same thing in the box. So I love this box, and I think it's amazing. I think everybody should get this box. So if you're excited to get this box, I'm going to go ahead and link it down below for you guys, and let me know what you think of this box down below. And until the next video, guys, I love you. Stay safe. Bye.